Hi! In this video, we're going to continue our chapter, Motion in Magnetic Fields. Lately, we have explained the induced current. A current can only be induced if it moves in a changing magnetic field. But how do we find the direction of the induced current? To predict the direction of the induced current, we have to use Fleming's right-hand rule. Your thumb points in the direction of the motion, your first finger points in the direction of the magnetic field, and so your second finger will be in the direction of the induced current. You've seen how we induce current by moving a wire around a magnetic field. And now we're going to see how to induce current by moving a magnet around near a wire. But instead of having one wire, there is a long coil. Now we're moving the magnet into the coil. Observe the ammeter to know whether moving the magnet into the coil induces a current in the wire. As the needle of the ammeter is moving, then yes, current is being induced. Is the current positive or negative? The needle is moving into the positive side, and so the induced current is positive. Now, if we pull the magnet out of the coil, do we still have induction? The needle of the ammeter is moving, so yes, we have induction. But it is moving into a negative reading, and that means it is a negative current. And that's correct.